Hey guys!
Hi! Ooh.
Guess what today is?
What?
Carnival.
It sounds like carnival.
Well, it is a big party and it's in Brazil. They celebrate for days. They listen to samba music and they eat food, street foods and all kinds of things.
Is this what this stuff is?
Yeah, that is Brazilian cheese bread, otherwise known as pão de queijo.
I want to eat it now.
Straight from Brazil, we've got pão de queijo, which is cheese bread.
I thought it was going to be cheese.
Well, it has cheese in the batter, and it's got tapioca flour. It's nice and warm. Do you want to try it? Just take a little teeny little taste. Can you taste the cheese in it?
Yeah.
So how is the cheese bread idea?
Good.
Yummy.
What is this supposed to be?
This is the feijoada I made earlier today. It's meat and black beans over rice. Well, that is made of meat, including bacon, and black beans and rice, and it's called feijoada. Just have a little taste. Try some of the little bit of bacon. What do you think?
Yummy.
Yum. And did you guys notice that you guys have really cool hats on?
Yeah, Jerry's has a peacock feather.
Yeah, they wear all these flamboyant hats with feathers as they dance down the streets of Rio de Janeiro or Sao Paulo, which are cities in Brazil.
Why do they wear feathers?
Well, it's a tradition. I think the reason they wear the feathers is that they're celebrating before they have to go through Lent, which is a period where they have to give up things. So it's a big, bright celebration. Okay, guys. How was the food for Carnival?
Good.
Yeah, it's fun to try new things, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, someday maybe we could go to Carnival, who knows? You think that Carnival is fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Let's say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.